So how to render cropped images in Blender? So I'll crop this video. You can crop this video from here. I mean, you have to change the resolution. If you don't change the resolution, we can also press on N and expand crop and crop from here as well. But this will only crop inside your resolution, the resolution you set from here. So here you can, crop, you can add more images to run at the same time or whatever. But if you want to render only crop video, only a portion of the video, you can do it from here and it should work just fine. Let's say I only want to render this portion, okay? Only this portion. So make sure you change here the resolution from here, change your frame rate. You also make sure you change here frame start and frame end. So if this video lasts around here, obviously if the video is too long, make this increase this, okay? And now if you also can change your output where you want to save your video. Okay, and here make sure you also select raw, like at least that's what I use and it seems to work just fine. And now if I click on render animation, this will work fine. Okay, as you can see, now I'll show you the result. So here's the rendered parts. Okay, so it worked just fine. We have this resolution, I think it's this video. Okay, it's this one here. I just tested before recording the video. But that's it guys. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and take care.